Hello, my dear students of class 12 Geography. In this video, I am going to talk on the topic the 4 pillars of human development. This is a topic from chapter 4 Human Development from the book Fundamentals of Human Geography. In the earlier videos of this chapter, we have discussed what are meant by growth and development. And then we have also seen how the focus of human development has shifted from the economic growth to other aspects. According to Dr. Huck and Amartya, who have introduced new concept of human development, access to resources, health and education are the key areas in human development. And a country needs to build capabilities in people so that they can have better access to resources, health and educational facility. That capabilities, increased capabilities will ensure better human development. We know as a building stands on the strength of pillars. Without a strong pillar, we cannot imagine a strong building. So, a building is supported by strong pillars. Similarly, the idea of human development also needs the support of certain concepts, which we call the pillars of human development. So, there are 4 basic pillars of human development: equity, sustainability, productivity and empowerment. Let us come to understand them one by one. Equity. The literal meaning of equity you must be knowing here. Equity refers to make equal access to opportunities available to everyone. Means the opportunities available to people must be equal, irrespective of their gender, race, income level or even caste in Indian case. So, if people are able to avail the opportunity equally without any discrimination, then their choices enlarges and they can make better choices in the field of economic opportunity or health facility or availing better education. If we see, but what we see practically, if we see, then most often we find this is not the case everywhere. All the people today also are not enjoying the equal rights, equal access to different opportunities, whatever may be the reasons. If we see the cases of school dropouts in any countries, we find that a large proportion of that belongs to socially and economically backward groups. And of course, the cases of school dropout curves down the opportunity, equal opportunity in different areas. So these groups from where we have more school dropouts, so those children remain uneducated and their choices get limited by not having access to knowledge. So this is a case where we find that there is no equity, and that is a hindrance in the proper human development. in any society, in any country. Second thing is sustainability. Sustainability means continuity in the availability of opportunity. I mean, what opportunities are available to this generation, at least the same opportunity should be available for the next generation also. Each generation must have equal opportunities for development or better opportunities for development. And this is possible if we make the present development without compromising the interest of the future generation. So to have sustainable development, all environmental, financial and human resources must be used in such a way that each generation must have the same opportunities. For example, suppose we have whatever limited stock of petroleum or coal or other energy resources, and if we use them, I mean if we consume them in all for the development of present generation, then the next generation, the choices of next generation will get limited. So misuse of any of these resources will lead to fewer opportunities for future generations, and that is why it is demanded that resources must be used judiciously, and keeping in the mind that we need the resources for future generation also. So we should not make present development at the cost of future or at the interest of future generation. That will ensure the sustainability in development. Otherwise, right now we may develop little more, but it will not sustain for long. So that is sustainability. Productivity. Productivity here stands for human labor productivity. Productivity in terms of human work. I mean, how human resource have different capabilities, different skills, and if we see in different countries, human resource of different countries, we find the human productivity rate is not same everywhere. In some people in some areas are more productive than the people of other areas, and in fact this productivity depends on health and education. Healthy and educated people can contribute more than unhealthy and illiterate people in development. So if we provide better health facilities and better educational facilities, that means our productivity rate is bound to increase. More productivity, higher productivity means higher growth, higher economic growth, higher development. Thus, to increase the productivity, a nation needs to build capabilities in people by increasing their knowledge and by providing better health facilities. In this way, we find that these three areas, equity, sustainability and productivity, play important role in human development. And the fourth is empowerment. Empowerment means to have the power to make choices. We should have more and better options to choose between for our economic growth or for living a decent life. And such power comes from increasing freedom and capability. And this freedom and capability depend on certain government policies Government can enhance empowerment by good governance and people-oriented policies. Suppose if we do not feel secure in the society, we cannot make better choices. And if we are not secured, we are not educated, we do not have, then we cannot claim for better opportunities. So security and empowering the people for their choices should be the prime goal of a government. So government can enhance empowerment by good governance and people-oriented policies. Thank you in this video. We'll continue discussion in the next video.